I don't know if it's the eye contacts making me think I look good. Bitch, I should have been born with blue eyes. You never take me to bed. Now I'm like pissed. Now I'm pissed. I'm actually never gonna look this good again. Okay, like, can you tell that there's something wrong with me? Look at my freaking eyes. I am scared of myself and what I look like right now. I look insane. I look so scary. I look so scary. I used to think like, wow, I would be unstoppable if I had blue eyes. Okay, no longer. I look like a lizard person. Guess what we're doing today? I'm gonna be trying to transform into one of those iconic girls that you see on Pinterest, a dark feminine look. I know there's that one picture that comes to mind when I think of dark feminine. It's that one. I think it's AI. I'm pretty sure it's AI. It's like a mix. I believe it is like Angelina Jolie and Megan Fox were to morph into one person. That's what I've heard that the photo is. But okay, so I'm gonna be trying to recreate the look. On camera, does it look good? In person, I look like a lizard person. Maybe it's because I'm not used to it. Okay, thanks TTDY. They sent me so many eye contacts. I think I have Glacier Blue on, right? Glacier Gray. Do I look AI? It's kind of a look. Am I right? No, I don't know. Let's get the makeup started. I want to be one of those iconic girls on Pinterest. Put in the pics, you know. We know who the fuck. We know who she is. We know, okay? So I'm gonna try my best to transform into her today. All right, I'll slaps. Oh my god, this was so incredibly hard to put on because I am literally I've never put on eye contact before, so it was literally, bitch, it was mission impossible. Damn. Maybe I do look really good with it. Maybe I do. Halloween came early. Okay. For this dark feminine I feel like I can barely see. Also, my setup is a little different. I have a chair. I used to literally sit on like a stool before. So I now have an actual chair to sit on. We're leveling up, girl. I have a chair now. Do I look better with blue eyes, gray eyes, or I don't know. I kind of like, this makes me appreciate my eyes more, my brown eyes. Everyone, when we were younger, we were listening to the, you're gonna wake up with blue eyes the next morning if you listen to this YouTube video, you know? So the goal is to look like AI, I guess. I'm honestly winging it. For the base, it's not a lot. It's just purely white, but I'm gonna try to do an illusion of cheekbones, you know, bring it down just slightly. I want the illusion of looking pretty. Every day is just an illusion of looking pretty. Okay, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do nose contour. I'm gonna like try to make my nose look hella snatched. These girls have very like more angular noses, so I'm just gonna go down like that. And like there. Very different too. Why do I look like that one? I look like... What do I look like right now? Scary. I mean, yeah. Scary. I look like a man. I don't know. Like, I'm not even kidding. I look like that one picture that people put on celebrities to like perfect face ratios. That is my mapping. That is my contour mapping. Snatched. Look at that. Yeah. And for these looks, there really is not really a lot of blush at all, actually. So no blush. What the fuck? All right, blend out that nose contour. Anyways, my contacts are from TTDI. Do they eat? Do they eat? Now that is the question. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. Like, you can't tell me to not do a little bit of blush. Just a tiny bit, okay? Putting on these contacts was like trying to put a fish into my eyeball. Like, it was just flopping around everywhere. I did it horribly. Definitely user error. Okay, bright. We want a bright under eye, so I'm not even gonna do my usual transition concealer dot. This is where we're doing it. Go here as well. The sun is setting, so it's perfect because we're turning evil now. It's kind of cute, right? Wait. I don't know. Do I look like anyone? Do I remind you of anybody? Comment down either I look like comment if I look like Adriana, if I look like Angelina Jolie, if I look like we want it ultra bright, okay? Because these girls, it's very like, I feel like kind of high contrast. Wait, what the fuck is wrong with me? Is it too late to pluck my eyebrows? This is so unprofessional. What do I do, y'all? I already got makeup on. Whatever, dude. I'm going to hell anyway. Let's just pluck them real quick. These girls have, it's an extreme arch. See that? I'm trying to make it like even more arched. Look at that. Look at the difference. Okay, it's a little bit better. The thing about in my makeup tutorials, you know what I hate? My pet peeve when it comes to makeup tutorials is when I see someone do like an Adriana Lima makeup tutorial, for example. They look like Adriana, you know? It's like, whoa, let's see how she transforms into her. And then it cuts to the actual tutorial, bare face. Okay, babe, what the fuck? You already look like her. You already look like her, so it's not even a makeup tutorial. It's just this is just flexing on us. This is just a flex, like high key. You know what? That's what I hate. That's what I hate. Don't pull up with a fucking makeup tutorial if you already look like the person, you know? But in my makeup tutorials, we're starting from ground zero, babe. It's a true transformation in itself. Truest extent. Because I even got the freaking eye contacts. You know what? This is kind of giving like a little bit of like Arabian makeup. Or like the Indian makeup. I absolutely love like the 2000s like Indian or slash Arabian. That is extremely like dark feminine vibes. I love it so much. It's kind of that as well. It's so beautiful. Like this, kind of giving that, kind of giving that. Did I get nerfed with brown eyes? Did I? Like extremely matte, okay? Pounds and pounds. Pounds and pounds, okay? Going in heavy. And we're gonna bake a little bit. Hold up, let me bake. God, this is where I cook. I kind of want like the Angelina Jolie flashback. This is the look actually. Wait, even more powder. I ran out of powder. Because we're baking here as well. I never do this. This is completely different to what I actually do in my normal makeup. This isn't no just put on some eyeliner and mascara and you're ready to look like her. No, babe, we're starting from ground zero. We're doing the whole procedure, okay? I'm like, I can't even recognize who's in this viewfinder. Okay, I'm gonna put some powder on my eyes now. I'm pulling out techniques I have never used in my life. I look like a dead fish. All right, I think it's time to just dust it off. That's how the base is looking. You want to look like powdery smooth, you know? Because this is just my natural skin. I look so different. I feel like I look so different than I normally do. Scary? This is scary. I don't recognize who is looking at me right now. I'm so scared. I'm like scared because I'm like, I genuinely like, I'm having like, I don't know who the hell is looking at me back in the mirror. Okay, for the eyes, this is kind of like scary for me because there are so many different dark feminine eye looks that you could do. You could do a dark brown, you could do completely black, you could do like purple-ish, you can do smoky, but the girl that we are looking at, she just looks like that, you know? Some people, they just look like that, unfortunately. So how do I recreate a makeup look on you if you just look like that? You know what? Let's do the eyeballs. I mean, let's do the eyebrows. I never do eyebrows, but this is like a very specific look and very, very high arch. So I'm gonna make my eyebrows look slightly thicker. Do I look like a man now? Holy moly. I don't know. I do not think this looks correct. I think I look like something. I think I look like something. I just feel like I look like that one guy. Good luck finding the picture. Future. Honestly, like, do not get a close-up on the brows. For the love of God, do not get a close-up on the brows. Oh my god, my eyebrows look horrible. I'm pulling out things I've never used. This is the Morphe, okay? I'm just like baffled. I don't know where to start. Okay, first, I'm kind of going off of this girl's picture because I kind of like don't know where to start. I'm gonna go in with this like dark brown. I think it has a little bit of like purple shades in it. It's a really nice color. Kind of all over, you know. Guys, I'm doing like actual makeup tutorials now. I don't know, because I feel like people don't want to hear me talk. in my videos, you know? They actually want to see like what I'm doing. Let me know if you like the talking though, or if you like my dumbass stories. I feel like people actually click on my videos for a tutorial and it's me talking about some dumbass bullshit. So what's your technique? If anyone asks me my technique, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Just layers and layers. That's a good start, I feel like. Sometimes it's the color. Oh my god. Going in Maybelline the Nudes. And with this dark brown, it's almost black. We're going more towards like the center of the lid just to add more dimension. See that? See that? You get it. You get it. Just do what I do. It's 20 different things within the span of like 1 minute. I feel like I look like I surgically like when they do the eye changing surgery and it looks completely botched. Not to say that the eye contacts are bad, but I'm just like, man, I'm not used to this. Going in with a more dense brush. 3 different palettes, a dark, a deep, deep brown. Also, I just feel like my vision is slightly impaired. It just feels like there's like a little piece of dust in my eye, like floating around. That's what it feels like. And it's honestly probably because I dropped the eye contact literally like 3 times on my desk. I'm going with this brown right there. It's not too dark because I don't want to overkill it right now. I feel like I'm gonna get like some sort of infection. Precision is needed. Okay, and now we're dark feminine. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, I get it. Okay. Time for a little bit of black. Very concentrated outer part, like where you would place eyeliner, just to add that depth. And that is how it looks. Oh my god, it actually looks way better than I could possibly imagine. Okay, wait. Black pencil, I don't know. We're gonna create a little bit of a wing. Very sloppily. I really don't add a lot of precision into this. Just like that. I was thinking about I really wanted to do like those makeup videos while I read like Reddit stories or like doing my makeup while reading your guys' like confessions, like, you know, those types of videos. I've been wanting to do that. Would you guys be interested? Would you guys be interested? But it's like, I don't know. Let me know. Also, but reading on camera, I know how to read, okay? I know how to read, but sometimes like when I'm filming, I just like mess up my words a lot. So I have to cut. There's a lot of cuts between my sentences. I just like, talking is hard. Okay. Why is looking so good? Okay, I'm gonna go with brown. You can do brown or black, just slightly in my inner corner. Just to emphasize my, you know, kind of give it a cat eye. Okay, now I can't see. Gonna go with more darkness. I'm kind of going up because my eyes are kind of hooded, so it kind of gets rid of the darkness that we just added in. So I'm gonna kind of put it there. Am I ruining it? Hold up. I swear the powder is mixing in. And we're not done. Just because you think the eye is done, no. I still gotta go in a little bit with some contour just to chisel the cheeks slightly more. We're almost there, like actually though. And I need to make my nose look even skinnier. I'm going in with like a gray color. This is the Kaleidos one. Going with this gray one. Right there. Wow, this is like actually the craziest transformation. A little highlight on the nose, just a slight bit like that. It would kill me to not do a nude lip. It would kill me like dead ass. I'm gonna go in with more of that gray and place her right here. Hollow out your cheekbones. See, I'm telling you, girl, I transform. When I do a makeup look, I transform. That's what you want. That's what you want. I don't want to watch a makeup tutorial and you look the fucking same from the before, you know. Okay, this eye does not have enough. I feel like I look like the yassified filter. I actually can't get over it. I literally cannot get over it. Should this be my everyday makeup look now? You know what? We're going tried and true. Whirl. Whirl can never do me wrong, so tried and true. Whirl is the girl, okay? Every time I talk, my dog wants to start moving around and scratching and licking his balls. Get with the program, okay? What the fuck? Oh fuck, like actually what the fuck? I never knew I could look this good. I should have been born with blue eyes. What the hell is this nerf? Lash sensational. Do I need anything else on my lips? I feel like my natural lip color looks pretty good. How is this not edited? Not edited. What the fuck? I fear this is the best I've ever looked. What the fuck? Say thank you to TTDI. Say thank you. I don't know if it's the eye contacts making me think I look good. Bitch, I should have been born with blue eyes. Now I'm like pissed. Now I'm pissed. Oh, I'll kill you. Not my natural hair, not my natural eye color. In another life, I'll look this good. Start booking me for next year fashion week, okay? I'm available. I'm actually never gonna look this good again. Well, girls, how the fuck did I do? Like, so how do you think I did? How do you think I did? Should I get eye color changing surgery? Like, should I do it? Should I be calling him up? Let me call up Dr. Miami, okay? You never take me to bed. Do y'all know ball? Do y'all know ball, though? This is your sign. If you're getting bullied in high school, don't worry, because once you get out, you're gonna look like this. I guarantee you. And I guarantee you you're gonna look like this when you get out of high school. Hold up, let me put on that high cranial top. Let me just... Okay. Honestly, I was wrong. I was wrong when I said I looked scary. Honestly, maybe I do look scary, but like in a good way. Bitches with blue eyes, count your fucking days. You're so damn lucky. Like, actually, life on easy mode. Oh, but my eyes are light sensitive. Deal with it. Literally deal with that shit. This is the finished look. Here's a little up close of the eyes. Wow. Is this how Gabriette feels? Is this how... Dude, if I look like this every day, I wouldn't give a fuck either, bro. I would not. I would not complain a single day in my life. I would never be complaining ever again. I can't believe I have to take this off. Anyways, girls, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now this is my makeup without the contacts. What do you think? What are the contacts carrying?